Okay, I like problems like this because it gives you values instead of a function. So that means you really only have to know calculus to do this. So it tells you what h is, and then it says find h prime, and then plug 3 into it. That's what it says. Don't plug the 3 into it first. Don't do that first. You have to find the h prime first. And so for this one, to find h prime, we're clearly going to have to use a quotient rule because f is divided by g, and that's what h is. You see, I got a bunch of values for f, f prime, f double prime, g, g prime, g double prime, but no h's. So we have to write h prime in terms of f and g so that we can find our answer. So let's use the quotient rule. Shebang. We're going to h prime this foo. So that's going to be f prime times g minus f times g prime divided by g to the second power. Now we are plugging in 3, so if we plug 3 into all these, and I would not normally do this, but I'm going to do it for you, f prime of 3, and then we go g of 3 minus f of 3, and then g prime of 3. See, it's kind of pointless to plug it on. It's like, I know it's a 3. And then you got to square it. Okay, so where are all these values going to come from? Do you guys know what f prime of 3 is? Man, I wish I knew what it was. Oh, it's right here! F prime of 3 is 4. Oh, yay! And so I plug in a 4 right here. And then I have g of 3. What is g of 3, Stews? It is dose. Dose. The number with the most. Okay, 4 of 3. I'm sorry, f of 3. F of 3. What's f of 3? F of 3 is 5. And then we have that guy, that guy. Okay, what is g prime of 3? 7. Yay! What's the point of this 5? Yeah, we don't even have to use him. Okay, it's a decoy. What's the last one? G of 3. G of 3 is dose, and I have to square that foo. And I simplify so I get 8 minus 35 divided by 4. This equals 27 negative divided by 4. There's your answer. Oh, he's so pretty. Okay, let's look at the next one. The next one, this is where some of you guys are like, I hate my life. Okay, this is h double prime. So you have to find the double derivative of h. What is h right now? Oh, h is f times g. Okay, I get it now. All right, so what is the derivative of two functions multiplying to each other? Since we don't have h double prime of 3 up in our table, we're going to have to write h double prime in terms of g and f. So we have f prime g plus f g prime. How'd you get that? This is a product rule, doggy. Okay, next we're going to have to find the second derivative. This is just the first derivative, so let's do this again. Let's find the second derivative. Let's prime this foo. So we have to do this twice. We have to do a product rule here and a product rule here to find the derivative of this guy. Are you serious? That's a lot of product rules. All right, guys, what is the derivative of f prime? F double prime, or also known as S egom. S egom, and then times g. So f prime times g, and then we have plus, then we have f prime times the derivative of g, which you guys know. See how simple that is? Don't we just love that? And then there's our plus sign. He's right there. And now we had to do the product rule again. So we have f prime g prime. Oh, looks like we could add these together if we wanted to, but I don't want to. And then plus f g second, or second prime, double prime. Okay, so this is almost our answer. This is h double prime. Now we have to plug the 3 into it. So now we're going to use our table to find all these values. Okay, like the first one. I need your help, guys, because my table's all covered up. What is f double prime of 3? Negative 3. What's g of 3? What's f prime of 3? What's g prime of 3? 7. And then we got to do that again. 4 and 7. And then f of 3. And then g prime of 3. Double prime. G double prime. What? Okay, now we have to simplify. If we simplify, what do we get? You get 40 after you do your arithmetic.